Alright, more parts. Looks heavy. One cam cover. Rusted and corroded. Nice. Good blast would take that and make it look a lot better. Does not appear to be broken, which is a good thing. They get broken out. So they get broken around the generator bolts here, and then also where the cable goes back here, they get broken off. So this is 1970 and earlier, distributor motor, not a cone motor. Cone motor, a big knob sticking out here. And this is a 52 cover down here. A lot of times they'll have a casting date up in here, but I usually don't see casting dates until like 60, 61. This has the early breather up in here, which was it was like an old flathead 45 breather, kind of. It had a spring-loaded thing that went up and down. In 63, they went to a pressed-in aluminum one. And just pressed in, it was just an L-shaped, like a hat. And the brim of the hat would seal against the washer on the generator. Versus this one, and they would have a spring-loaded brassing that went in and out, and it would hit against the generator gear that had a special shoulder with holes in it for separating the air and oil, so you can get oil in your breather coming out of your breather hole right here. There'd be a tube coming up for your engine breather. So a different way of doing it. And this is a Sportster one because these bushings are not all the same height. If it was a flathead cover, these would all be the same height. And see how this one's lower? So this is a Sportster. And we know it doesn't have any casting numbers in here, or dates. So I know this is probably 57, 58, 59, and maybe 60. Plus there's no A on this number here, 52. They had a 52A cover, and that definitely means it's a later cover. So this is going to be your early Sportster cover. Probably the same one those lifter blocks came out of. It was an early motor. So looks like this will clean up pretty good. The bushings actually look pretty nice. They're not all worn out. I don't know what size they are, but they look nice. So this might actually be a pretty nice cover. It looks like dog crap, that's why it never got used, I'm sure. It definitely sat around for a lot of years, but looks can be deceiving. So as long as nothing's broken on it, this actually looks like a pretty nice cover. And after you blast it, the corrosion will go away and won't look too bad. So we'll probably show a video of that later down the road, but for now it is what it is. I'm happy with it. Pretty nice cover. There you go.